Look at the elephants on TV. It's a TV show, buddy. You don't like them? You're puffing them up. You're puffing up to show them who's boss, huh? You showing your elephants who's boss? Did you show them who's boss? Huh? Did you show them who's boss? Tango. Yes. Tell them I'm the boss. Right. I know. What's that? Are you scaring them with your dinosaur noise? Yeah? Are you a dinosaur again? You want to go to the museum? Yeah. We'll go to the museum. We'll go to the museum and you can see the dinosaur. You can see the dinosaur bones.